Tea lovers, as we are beginning April, it's a great time to take a deep breath and de-stress. If you need a little assistance with that, this herbal tea is perfect for you. Let's talk about organic relief stress tea today. Let's start by going over the ingredients that go into this blend. The first ingredient is organic rooibos. Rooibos is a South African herb full of antioxidants. This herb has been studied for its effect on stress. Rooibos has been shown to lower the production of cortisol, which in turn can help lower the body's response to stress and help improve sleep. Organic passion flower is up next. This unique-looking flower has been documented for its therapeutic properties. Studies have shown that passion flower tea is beneficial in lowering stress, which in turn can help to relieve anxiety, depression, and insomnia. Organic lemon balm is a member of the mint family and is known as a calming herb. Lemon balm has been used since the Middle Ages to treat anxiety and stress. Studies have been done with lemon balm to show that this herb can help reduce cortisol levels and help the body handle physiological stress. Organic holy basil, also known as tulsi, has been a frequently recommended herb to help with stress and anxiety. Ayurvedic practitioners commonly use it in their practices for these ailments. Holy basil is considered an adaptogen, which means it adapts to what the body needs at the time and increases the body's ability to handle stressors. Lavender's aroma is a popular treatment to soothe the body and mind. Drinking lavender tea has also been shown to help the body de-stress and relax. Lavender can also help to promote better sleep, skin health, and mood. Today, instead of a latte or tea recipe, we are going to make some organic relief stress cookies. To start this recipe, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with waxed paper and grease the paper. In a bowl, we're going to whisk the flour, sugar, and baking powder. Then stir the butter and egg into the flour mixture, add the vanilla extract, lavender, cardamom, and our organic relief stress tea. We're going to mix this until thoroughly combined. Once this is ready to go and is a nice dough, drop the cookie dough onto the baking sheet by tablespoon and space them approximately 2 inches apart. These cookies are going to bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes or until the edges turn a light golden brown. The final step is to top these with frosting if desired once the cookies have cooled, and add a dash of lavender or a little bit of extra relief stress tea on top for extra decoration. Thank you so much for joining us for this week's Tea of the Week. I hope you enjoyed learning about organic relief stress tea and will give it a try or suggest it to someone who you think might benefit from it. All the links will be in the description below, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye!